In 2023, the global wearable technology market reached a staggering $116 billion. By 2026, it's expected to surpass $300 billion, growing at a rapid pace of 18% CAGR. But behind every billion-dollar success in this space, there's always a journey, one that starts with an idea and evolves into an innovation that people wear, trust, and love. It all begins with ideation. Every great app starts as a spark, an idea with purpose. Defining why your app exists and what makes it unique is the first step in standing out in the crowded wearable ecosystem. Then comes discovery. Through market research and competitor analysis, insights emerge. What users want, what's missing in the market, and how your app can carve its own niche. Slowly, the app starts to take shape. Is it a standalone solution or a companion app? Should it track health metrics, deliver smart alerts, or seamlessly integrate with other devices? The features you define here become the DNA of your app. Design brings the vision closer to reality. In wearables, where every pixel matters, UI or UX isn't just about aesthetics. It's about speed, simplicity, and effortless interaction on tiny screens. Technology lays the foundation. Choosing the right stack, be it WearOS, watchOS, or a cross-platform framework, sets the stage for scalability and future growth. Then comes the build. Development breathes life into designs. APIs connect, sensors integrate, and AI features like predictive analytics or smart assistants elevate the experience beyond expectations. No journey is complete without testing. Reliability becomes the cornerstone as apps undergo rigorous security, usability, and performance checks, especially when dealing with sensitive health and AI-driven data. And then, the launch. A carefully crafted rollout ensures your app makes a strong first impression, reaching the right audience at the right time. But the story doesn't end there. True success comes from continuous evolution. Post-launch monitoring, updates, and innovation that keep your app relevant in a dynamic market. At ScalaCode, we believe wearable app development is not just a process. It's a narrative of strategy, design, and innovation. We don't just build apps. We craft wearable success stories.